So, when dealing with the question of finding your twin flame or soulmate, there are a few considerations. Actually, many. It can be quite complex. So, I always say the first step is coming to love yourself and others unconditionally. This is what allows a spiritual relationship and will signal to the higher self that you are ready for a soulmate or twin flame relationship. That being said, just because you come to unconditional love does not mean your soulmate or twin flame will appear immediately. So, here are some other scenarios or considerations which may affect whether you meet your twin. To be clear, a soulmate means one whom has the same oversoul as you. This means they have a very similar vibration to you, but not identical. It may be romantic, but it need not be. A twin flame means that the creation of the dualistic sexed pairs happened at the monadic level and carried through into a dual oversoul. So this level happens above the division into the soul fragments that we call souls, or 12 paired souls that we call soulmates. The twin, therefore, will be an archetypical pair expressing through the other 12 pairs. They will be an archetype expressed through 12 different expressions. This is not a choice that every monad makes when forming an oversoul, and it need not form it with every oversoul. So, in addition, some oversouls express as trinities, and therefore you could have two twins. Now, the major thing to understand here about a twin flame is that in order to be the physical manifest expression of the archetypal twin oversoul, then these two must have achieved soul integration to some level and enough cohesion for ascension, meaning that these must be the final incarnations or major incarnations. So, by this reasoning, we will see more twin flames on Earth now than ever before. And this coincides with my earlier statement that one must have come to unconditional love, because truly both twins, by the time they find each other, should be well on the way toward enlightenment. Because the inherent power of the twin flame finding each other is immense, and turned to chaos would be incredibly destructive. So they must not find each other before they are ready. And for this reason, this is one reason that it has been rare up until now. And also, the whole feeling, although you may yearn for your twin here, this yearning will only last until you remember that your twin is truly part of you. You're one with them. And in the higher realms, you're always together. Always. So this urgency, this loneliness, it really only exists from the lower perspective. And it was enforced in us to make us yearn for home. Now, whether or not one's twin is meant to incarnate into this realm or not, one may ask for and receive a physical relationship born in spirit and love and sanctioned by one's twin flame. So the twin flame will set up a relationship for you, assuming it does not violate some previous desire you had to work alone. And even this could be changed, though you may not wish to once you remember why. So ask your higher self to manifest the relationship that will most satisfy you while serving the greatest good of all. And eventually you will find your twin, because you are one. Love and light.